Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to see how to fix Acer Aspire 3 laptop frozen screen. Dealing with a frozen screen on your Acer Aspire 3 laptop can be quite annoying. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you diagnose and fix the problem. Perform a hard reset. Disconnect power source, unplug the AC adapter and take out any external devices. Drain residual power. Press and hold the power button for around 10 seconds to make sure the laptop is completely turned off. Battery reset. If applicable, find the battery reset pinhole on the bottom of the laptop using a paperclip. Gently press and hold the reset button for about 25 seconds. Restart the laptop. Plug the AC adapter back in and turn on the laptop. Boot in safe mode. Access advanced startup option as the laptop boots. Repeatedly press the F9 key when the Acer logo appears. Navigate to safe mode once in the advanced option menu. Select troubleshoot, advanced options, startup settings, then tap on restart. Booting in safe mode allow you to troubleshoot software related issues that might be causing the freeze. Update or roll back drivers. Access device manager in safe mode. Right click the Start button and select Device Manager. Identify problematic drivers. Look for devices with warning symbols. Update or roll back. Right click the device, choose Update Driver or Properties, and go to Driver tab. Then tap on Rollback Driver if a recent update might be causing the issues. Check for malware. Run a full system scan. Use a reputable antivirus program to scan for malware which can cause system instability. Perform a system restore. Access system restore in safe mode. Search for system restore in the start menu. Choose a restore point, select a date when the laptop was functioning correctly and follow the prompts. This can revert the system to a previous state before the issue occurred. Reset BIOS to default settings. Enter BIOS setup as the laptop boots. Press the F2 key repeatedly to access the BIOS. Reset to default. Press F9 to load default settings, then F10 to save and exit. Test with external monitor. Connect external display. Attach an external monitor to the laptop. Switch display mode. Press F4 until the display appears on the external monitor. This helps determine if the issue is related to the laptop's display. Consider professional assistance. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, it may be hardware related. Consult Acer support or a certified technician for further diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.